Hey guys, today we're going to make something that is famous for being a poor Italian meal, and I'm gonna show you right now. We're gonna make pasta and potatoes, or how they call it in Campania, pasta e patate. And we're gonna make it rich, and I'm gonna show you how we make it. So, smoked Gouda. I'm sorry, I didn't find any provolone, provola, no, that we use that in Campania. That's what I found, smoked Gouda. Pasta, I have a pacchero. Gold potatoes with the skin, saffron, this is my twist. Now I'm gonna have for the base green onion, carrots, celery, and my beer. We are in Michigan, so we're gonna support our local with a Dragon's Milk White Bourbon Barrel Aged beer. Tastes very good, it's very smooth. Let's wait that the water is gonna get a yellow color, and then we're gonna understand that the water absorbs the flavor of the saffron. Meanwhile, I had the vegetable broth going on that we're gonna add to our potatoes so they don't burn. So let's start for our base, we cut our green onions. Cut it in small chunks so it's going to melt. Let's cut our celery now. We cut everything small, so in the way it's going to melt, and we're gonna add this different flavor all together. And for the carrots, you guys know how to do it for sure. I'm not gonna use the whole carrot, this is a lot, but I'm gonna use just half. And I cut it very, very small. Now that our base is ready, we're gonna sear it with extra virgin olive oil. A lot. And we put our mix of green onion, celery, and carrots. And we sear it gently so it doesn't burn. Meanwhile, look at the saffron and the water. It's getting yellow. Meanwhile, when it's here, we're gonna start to cut our potatoes. Now, it doesn't matter how we cut our potatoes, big size, small size, they have to melt. So my recommendation is cut it small. Half. I'm making a Neapolitan from Campania recipe, and I'm wearing the Juventus bracelet. They're gonna kill me. Have you ever had pasta with potatoes? Pasta and potatoes, 2 carbs? No, we never had it. Try this one, trust me. My grandma used to make this one a little bit soupy, but I'm gonna show you today. This is going to melt, it's gonna make it creamy, it's gonna look like a restaurant dish. Let's put in our potatoes. And let's stir it. Good fire. Medium high. We almost want that the potatoes get stuck on the bottom of the pan, and then with our spoon we're going to mix them. What we're gonna do with this cheese is we're just gonna heat it like this. We have to shave it. A colorful shade, semi-H, so it's gonna be a little bit different to shave it, but see, it's good. How much of it? I don't know, feel your heart. I put a lot. See, our potatoes are almost like getting stuck on the pan. Look, just take my spoon and I mix them. Now the potatoes are getting softer inside, so I can add a little bit of, probably all of it, my saffron water. Pan is very hot, it's on high. If the potato absorb all the saffron water, we can help ourselves with a little bit of broth so we don't burn anything. And when they get very soft, they're almost about to melt, we will add the pasta and hold the broth. We're also going to add some parsley for decoration. So I'll put some on the side, and the rest I'm gonna cut it small pieces. The potatoes absorb all the water, saffron water, and we're gonna add some broth. Tanta roba. Yes, been 20 minutes that we are cuddling the potatoes with the water, the saffron and the broth, and we're about to add our pasta. I have my pasta and we're cooking this like in a kind of risotto way. I incorporate everything, I blend it, and I add my broth. I'll cover it. I have my stove on high. We're going to soft boil the pasta until it's done. It will take about 13 to 15 minutes, and we're gonna do it in a risotto way. What that means, that when it gets dry, we're gonna add a little bit of broth, or water if you like. Meanwhile, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and black pepper. So it's almost ready. Look how the potato melts and the pasta is releasing all the starch. And later we're gonna add the cheese. It's gonna keep all together. Add salt and pepper to taste. I added a little bit of broth because it was getting dry, but we wanna keep it creamy like this. Now I turn my stove off and I'm gonna add the cheese. And the whisk it. I'm Manteco from Mantecare. We're gonna add the cheese a little bit of a time until it's all melted. This is not gonna be the classic grandma soup. Let the music play, or let the cheese play. Look at this mixture of saffron, water, broth, cheese. Cheese is not melting like pizza, and that's what we want. How we make that? We just turn our stove off. We help ourselves with a little bit of hot water. If we want to add a little bit of freshness, let's add the parsley. Right, music, it's time to serve our dish. Bel paccherone. Let's add a little bit of cream. Some parsley, just for decoration. Touch of olive oil. Now it's favorite part of the video. We try it. Let's take a pacchero and all the sauce. They ever tell you that pasta and potato can taste so good? If they tell you that it's not good, you gotta try my recipe. Buon appetito! Did you like this recipe? If you did, put a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and to tell to your friends how easy it is to make real Italian dishes.